Lost your job and not sure what to do next? Don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to claim unemployment benefits, step by step. Whether you're laid off, furloughed, or just confused about the process, I got you covered. Let's make sure you get the money you're entitled to. Most people miss out on hundreds, sometimes thousands, just because they don't know how to file for unemployment the right way. This video will show you how to apply, check your eligibility for unemployment benefits, and avoid the most common mistakes that delay payments. Let's dive in. First things first, are you eligible? To qualify for unemployment, you usually need to have lost your job through no fault of your own. That means layoffs or reduced hours. If you quit or were fired for misconduct, you might not be eligible for unemployment, but each state has its own rules. So check your state's unemployment insurance website. Just Google your state unemployment eligibility. Before you start the application, make sure you have all the necessary documents: your social security number, your employer's info, dates of employment, and your reason for separation. Trust me, having this ready will make your unemployment claim process way smoother. Next, go to your state's unemployment website and apply for unemployment benefits online. Most states make it super easy. It only takes about 30-45 minutes. Here's a pro tip. Do this as soon as possible. Waiting even a week can delay your unemployment payment schedule. Here's where a lot of people mess up. After you apply, you must file a weekly unemployment claim, even if you haven't received benefits yet. No weekly claim means no money. It's that simple. Set a reminder on your phone. Don't skip this. So, how long does it take to get unemployment benefits? Usually 2 to 3 weeks after your initial claim, if everything checks out. You'll get paid either through direct deposit or a state-issued debit card. Be sure to check your claim status online regularly. Keep a log of your job search. It's required in many states. Respond to all requests from your unemployment office as soon as possible. And yes, you can work part-time and still get partial unemployment benefits. Just report your income. That's it. Now you know exactly how to file for unemployment benefits and get through the process stress-free. If this helped you out, drop a like and share it with someone else who needs it. Got questions about your state? Drop them in the comments. I reply to as many as I can. And don't forget to subscribe for more real-world how-to guides that actually help.